Shall we start? 8th January 1986, the same date when I'm recording this video, the story begins. The untold story begins. Nobody would have wondered this person would be ruling the cinema industries after 20-30 years. A very middle class, lower middle class couple, Arun Kumar Gowda and Pushpa. This person named Arun Kumar Gowda was working in BMTC as a driver. To people who don't know what BMTC is, it is a government public transport, basically a bus transport that is a government bus transport. In various cities there would be various public transport. In Karnataka, in Bangalore, there is something called BMTC bus service, and this person Arun Kumar Gowda was a bus driver over there. This day, Jan 8th, 1986, this couple Arun Kumar Gowda and Pushpa gives birth to a boy called Naveen Kumar Gowda. The child's name was Naveen Kumar Gowda. Listen to this properly. Naveen Kumar Gowda was that child's name, and they also have a sister also. So this child takes birth. This Naveen Kumar Gowda is only known as rocking star Yash. He is only called Yash. His name was transformed later. Naveen Kumar Gowda was given birth. Life goes very simple. Father was a bus driver, very poor family. Nobody would have wondered, a bus driver's son would be ruling the cinema industries. Nobody would have wondered. I wouldn't have even imagined. So normal. This kid Yash childhood days starts. The story starts at 1986. He goes to school like everything. He has a very big passion towards acting. I wanted to do something in acting. He wanted to do something in acting. He always loved acting. When you take an example of Sachin Tendulkar, he says, right, more than studies, I had concentration towards cricket because that was my passion. Similar thing with Yash. But he goes to school. Any school drama, any school activities that take place, Yash would be the first one to go and give his name over there. Even if he doesn't give his name, his teachers and principal would voluntarily randomly force him to come and take part, because his acting level at junior standards itself, like pre-KG school itself, he was like very good in that. And from school ages, he started building his passion towards acting, and he started building an interest towards acting. That's how the story began. And later, eventually, he started taking part in all the school activities, outside activities, celebrations like Independence Day, all these kind of short films. Today we might be having TikTok and YouTube reels and videos, Instagram reels, but later, long days back, only these apartment activities, small cultural activities everywhere. Yash will be the first one to give his name and lead his team in drama activities in school and everywhere. Later, he finishes his 10th standard. After finishing his 10th standard, he goes and tells his dad, I'm not interested. He says to his father, I'm not interested in studies. I really wanted to take up acting as my passion. Even if I come to road, I don't bother. I want to do something into the film industry, because this is my passion. I don't want to let my life go like this. I want to do something I love. Yash's father calls him to the room, a small house where they were staying. They were telling, my dear son, I very well know that you're good at acting. I've seen your work. You're really amazing. I love the way you're doing. But remember one thing. We are all coming from a lower middle class family. We are not from a rich family. Education is our backbone which is going to support us. I'm not telling you don't give up your passion. Please follow your passion. You're very good at acting. You're really good in everything what you want to do. Please chase your passion. I'm not going to stop you like what other parents are doing. But the only mistake what you're doing is telling that you're going to quit studying for the sake of acting. Please study, complete your education, and do whatever you want in acting. I'm not going to question you. Such an inspiring quote his father told that day, and you won't believe me, after becoming a superhero of the Kannada industry also. Now everybody know him across India after the KGF movie released, and also KGF 2, the chapter 2 is going to come. But initial stages like movie like Mr. Ramachari, earlier stages of Yash, he gave a blockbuster in initial stages itself. After becoming a superstar of the Kannada industry, also his father was still working as a driver of BMTC. So this is how inspiring his lifestyle story was. So he completes his 10th standard. After that, he completes his 10th standard. Then he decides studies is not going to be my future. I need to do something. Then he joins a drama troupe called Menaka Drama Troupe. And here, looking at his dramatic characterization, the way he's expressing his natural character, a special preference was given to him in the drama troupe, and he developed eventually, slowly. But there is something called breakthrough, right? One break needs to be given where a person needs to get hit. Even similar with the case of YouTube also, if one video goes viral, my channel will be in the peak in one fine day. So that's what I'm bringing here. So in the year 2004, Nanda Gokula was the first serial where Yash played a leading role, serial artist. He was a serial artist. From the year 2004 to 2007, he worked as a serial artist. He worked in various serials like Male Billu. Nanda Gokula was the first one, and he was like too happy. Wow, now people can start watching me. One person, BMTC driver's son, sitting, nobody knows him. He does something in the school and all, school crowd appreciates him, teachers appreciates him, goes to a drama troupe, there also he get recognized, but still waiting for a break. Now he is in the TV channel. Now everybody across Karnataka, everybody can watch him. Thousands of families are going to watch his serials. He gets a breakthrough from 2004 to 2007. Again, he keeps working as a serial artist. Later, still a person needs a breakthrough, right? He starts attending all the film auditions because his goal is not to stop as a serial artist. He wants to become the rock star, film star of the industry. So he tries attending all the auditions. Sadly, everybody will have a tough face, right? Every audition they go, they say this person is not fit to be an actor, man. This. For silly reasons, they reject him everywhere. And finally, in the year 2008, another breakthrough awaits for Mr. Yash. 2008, he got another breakthrough. Best supporting actor role he was given. He was given the best supporting actor role. So many awards were given. So people started recognizing, oh, this person has some talent in him. And all the directors came forward and started putting this Naveen Kumar Gowda, is also known as Yash, as a mainstream actor. He was a full-time actor now. So he started in the year 2008 to 11. He started doing really good movies like Rocky, Mugina Manasu. So these type of movie were his earlier stages. So here it was not a blockbuster, it was not a super hit. But whatever money the producer puts in, they get back. So the movie is definitely not a loss. And he was really good in his acting. So the another blockbuster category they tell no. 2013, a movie gets released named Googly. This was another milestone for Yash, where the entire Karnataka cinema industry, including top heroes, start seeing him. Okay, he starts giving competition to all the tough actors in the industry, and that was another blockbuster hit in the Kannada Sandalwood industry. He was not a pan-India star, no, he was a Sandalwood actor. He was a Kannada star from Karnataka industry. Googly. Then again, one more surprise awaits. 2013, if I'm not wrong, 13 or 14. Another movie named Mr. and Mrs. Ramachari gets released, where his wife, that time they were married, with Radhika Pandit, and that movie became another super hit. I watched that movie more than 10-15 times, and another blockbuster hit that movie turns. And the Yash fell in love with Radhika Pandit in that movie, and they got married also eventually. 2013, Mr. and Mrs. Ramachari. Now everybody knows there is some talented actor in the industry. Each and everyone, even a small kid, knows who this person is. He gets married, life goes peacefully. No, he didn't even knew that there is something called he's going to get recognized across the world. The next biggest project in Indian cinema industry awaits Naveen Kumar Gowda, who is also known as Yash. You would have already known what movie it is. Yes, Kolar Goldfields, also known as KGF, the chapter 1 directed by Prashant Neel. One of the biggest movie. Till the trailer gets released, nobody from other North Indian sides of Indian across the world also didn't know who Yash was, except people in Karnataka and Bangalore. Later trailer gets released, everybody gets to know, oh, there is something really good in Kannada Sandalwood industry. Entire Indian cinema industry for the first time turned. How Rajamouli gave a breakthrough in Telugu cinema industry. The same way the entire cinema industry gave a look towards Karnataka director Prashant Neel. Wow, this is something really awesome. Movie becomes a blockbuster. It was a masterpiece. Then Yash is now famous across the globe. Everybody knows that there is a rock star in the industry known as Rocky Boy. The dialogue, powerful people come from powerful places. But Yash definitely didn't come from a powerful places. He made his life powerful. I'll come to the point next. KGF chapter 1 gets completed. He gets so many awards, so many awards. He gets Dr. Falke award also. I think Behind Woods gave him an award for being a masterpiece actor. He becomes famous everywhere. Next portion, KGF chapter 2. The only reason why I'm making this video today. So initially January 8th, 2021. Today morning 10:18 was the teaser of KGF chapter 2 was supposed to be released. Famous cast like Sanjay Dutt, Ravina Tandon, Prakash Raj, so many people are acting in this movie, and yes, obviously the hero. It is a continuation of chapter 1. Chapter 1 was a blockbuster, and this might be a conclusion, or maybe there might be another part, not sure on that. Prashant Neel is directing it. It's a very big budget movie, and it's going to be a pan-Indian movie. Entire Indian cinema industry, entire Indian crowd, including North India, across the globe, people are waiting to watch this teaser. Unfortunately, yesterday around 7:30, January 7th, around 7:30, I see all the WhatsApp status everywhere, Twitter, that the teaser has been leaked. Immediately 9 o'clock, director Prashant Neel and Yash comes up with a video and poster telling the teaser is going to be released immediately today night at 9:29. And yes, such a big budget movie. Homble Films are producing this movie. Such a high budget movie, pan India movie. Everybody is watching. So cool he handles, man. I have so much respect to this human. Looking at the way he responded, he says he comes with a normal Twitter video. Our big movie is going to come up tomorrow. The teaser was supposed to be released, but some good people, I don't know what joy they get. They have leaked the teaser. May God bless them. And with that note, we are releasing. We need all your support. People, half of the people are already asleep. 9:30, they are releasing the teaser. Nobody knows. I got to know after one of my friend who shared me through WhatsApp telling that the teaser has leaked. Immediately I go and search. Yes, page. So nice of him, man. Such a big movie. Teaser has been leaked. So nicely handled, and the director and the entire team releases the video. Half of the crowd is sleeping without knowing what is happening. You won't remember last week or a couple of weeks back, Master teaser released, where they told that the teaser is going to release 24 hours prior, and 1 million likes it in 78 hours. Within 76 working hours, record break, and the fastest teaser to get likes. 1 million likes in fastest time, and KGF 2 breaks that record. Now when I am recording this video, around 70 million views have been already crossed. It has a standard of going to a pan-India movie. I definitely wish best of luck to the entire team. And famous dialogue, powerful people don't come from powerful places. Powerful people make powerful places. This entire phrase, powerful people make powerful places, represent the complete biography of Naveen Kumar Gowda. 10 to 20 years back, if you would have told his friends and family that I'm going to become a rock star, people would have loved. If I have to tell that in English, who is this useless fellow coming and blabbering shit over here? But today he is one of the biggest star in the sandalwood industry, man, I swear. I mean, one of the biggest star in the Indian film industry. World is recognizing him. I'm sure he's gonna create milestones. And on this note, today is his birthday. Rocking star Yash, I wish you a very, very happy returns of the day. And God bless. May you kill the film industry with lot and lot of success. Please keep entertaining us with lot and lot of movies. This short tribute from my end to you on your birthday. And I can feel each and every moment that you lived your life during your complete life history. This is just not the beginning, and this is just not the end. A long, long way to go, way ahead. And Naveen Kumar Gowda to Yash, it's an inspiring story. I hope you guys did get inspired by this short story. So a tribute to rockstar Yash, Rocky Bhai. KGF 2 is going to be a blockbuster and going to create millions of achievements. A short tribute from my end to you all. Do like, share and subscribe, and share this video to all your friends. See you all in another great video. Once again, happy birthday Rockstar. Have a great year ahead. Cheers. Bye.